Alright guys, so I'm back with another video here, and in this video here, let me show you real quick. All the burners work except for this front one here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to replace the switch. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and unplug this thing real quick before we get started here. Always unplug your appliances before you do any type of repairs on them. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to go behind the stove here, and there'll be a bolts across the back, a 1/4 inch bolt across the back. What you do is you go ahead and remove these bolts. I've already removed mine, so what we're going to do is a lot of times there's 2 bolts underneath it, but a lot of times I'll just barely bend it down and do it like this. So when you do, what you're going to do is you're going to come around to the front here. We're going to pop this knob off, and there's going to be 2 Phillips head bolts right there holding the switch in. So we're going to go ahead and take these out real quick. Alright, once you've got those 2 done, you can slide this up. Just pull this out here. We're going to grab our new one. Let's see what I did with it. It's not new. This is off another machine, but it's the same principle. So I'm going to go ahead and bolt this one on real quick. Hold it in place. So all I'm doing right now is starting these 2 screws here. Come around the back here and I'm gonna hold it in. Alright, got this screwed up, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna come around to this side. And I just left this connected so you can tell which one goes where. So I'm going to disconnect the top one real quick. And go ahead and slide it on. You hear it click in place here. Alright, so we're going to pull the bottom one. The bottom one has 3. I'm going to line it up right there. Just like the other one, you just want to pop it in place, you can hear it click in place. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to grab this one slightly that way. I'm just going to sit that over that for a second and plug this thing back in, and we're going to test this burner out. Put this knob back on here. Let's see if this thing. It's fixed, guys. I'll let it get warmed up here. Very simple fix. You can do it yourself at home instead of calling a repairman, paying $200 for a simple fix. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Alright guys, be sure to hit that subscribe button for any at-home appearance, repair, or appliance work you need done. Simple fixes, simple repairs. You know where to come. Thanks.